Except when it fails, dude. Some cases are hopeless. Bummer.
Hopeless? I have to give an important present. No time.
I can't be late. It would ruin everything. Gigio, stop translating me or I will.
It's cool, dude. Don't translate that. Too much.
Zoe!
No, it's super late. What will I?
Howdy, Amelia. What's up? All right, Zoe, Amelia's on the phone now.
Emmy, please tell me your hiccups are gone. Emmy, it's okay. I just need... Really? It doesn't sound okay, Zoe. Well, we still have Tatum, right? How's he doing?
Sugar levels low. Put candy in face.
It's a disaster, Zoe. Oh, no.
Disaster! Scary!
I missed that last part. Something with peanut butter.
Can't leave Amelia and Tatum on their own.
Never thought I'd say this, but you've got to go to school, Zoe, now.
But I can't do...
But if you get there late, you're all going to get a bad grade.
Aw, dude, bummer. Welcome to Bob's world. You all right, dude? Dude, easy on the eardrums. Not cool, but kinda cool.
All gone?
They're gone. Yes! Amazing! And it's too late. We're gonna have a bad grade, all of us, because of me.
Nope. It was all a trick, Zoe.
A trick?
Yeah, to scare you. Just take a look, Zoe.
Hey, Zoe! Quite a voice you got there.
What are you waiting for, Scaredy Pants? We've got a presentation to do. But the clock!
The bunnies put it forward an hour.
That silly disguise. Bob was also No, that was obviously
Ba-boom.
Well done, everyone. Go team!
Which reminds me, Team Twyla's still gonna beat you today.
Oh, Gigio, you're such
Amazing hiccupees interpreter.
a super special friend.
Oh, hug me till I pop, Zoe.
Zoe, honey, why aren't you at school? Come to mention it, did you get rid of...
Yes, Dad. Thanks to Gigio and all my friends. Gotta go.
Dudes, I got the hiccups. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. What will you do at school?
What do you think, dude? I'll talk hiccupese.